Alrighty, hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. That's just an update video. I put out the built this attack helicopter, and so what I did is I put the missiles on the side, and I added some autocannons here. I had to fix the rear tire and make it bigger because it started spinning when it was turning in, and I just added to the nose a camera, a distance sensor, and a couple of things. And then I have an autocannon on the bottom and some autocannons here on the sides. So I think that's going to do it basically for the design. I'll have to reroute this, obviously, inside. I did make the bottom one block higher. It was 2, and now it's 3. So for me, it looks better. It was looking a little flat, a little thin. There was just something about it that wasn't quite, quite on there. So yeah, so now let's see, I'm just gonna get a liquid sensor in here, a liquid meter, and then what I want to do is we'll just take this thing for a quick little flight, see what we're burning for fuel, and that'll be that. Yeah, so I just wanted to show that. I kind of put out the video there, building, right? Lots of building videos, an hour or something like that. Now it's done. I took it for a flight, and now I've added everything I want on it. I've added the autocannons. I've added these missiles. I tried the rotary autocannon. It was just huge. So I thought, you know what, maybe not on this one. Maybe if I build like a big attack helicopter that would be a standalone. So let's see, how much fuel do we have? 9,000. Wow, that's pretty good. And then we'll turn this to 0.5. We'll see what we burn. I'm just going to fly out to the mountain, turn around, and come back. Yeah, so this is the final configuration. So now it's going to be setting everything up. Probably the next video I put up will be connecting the cameras, connecting the guns. I'll use the same gunnery systems that I have on the ships. And then I don't know if we're going to make this laser controlled or radar controlled or not. I don't think so. I think we're going to keep it manually controlled. And I think we'll be able to switch between the front seat, being able to actually control it in the seat, to having an actual control in the back, right where the pilot is. We're going to have a monitor here, which we'll be able to see. All that sort of stuff. I know I should have better vision, right? Unfortunately, kind of in the back, like the gunner is sort of in the front there. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add cameras, small monitors, and that should give us the vision that we need. Yeah, so it takes off. It takes off really nice. Flies smooth. What are we burning for fuel? Yeah, not bad. It's probably got a 5 or 10 minute flight time. It's probably got a decent range. We'll do a range test on it. Now, helicopters are not, they're not like guns a-blazing, right? They're not guns a-blazing. This is like seek and destroy. So I'm not in search and destroy mode right now, so the guns don't work. And I was just doing that because I didn't want to get hunted down while I was testing this out. Yeah, but essentially this is an attack helicopter. So it'll be for, you get close. You're 5 or 6 kilometers away. Launch the helicopter. Come in, blah, blah, blah. It's all dead. Whatever. Yeah. So yeah, it flies really well. It flies smooth. It's not the fastest thing out there. But again, this is, there's a different type of tactics to it, right? You come up over the hill. I know they've detected you on the radar. But you come up over the hill, you fire your missiles, bang, bang, bang. And then really you just use the ground for cover. And if I can move that, see, it sits nice and flat, right? So I mean, with a gunner on the front or whatever, being able to control it and lock it, I'll see what I can do. Anyways, yeah, so this is kind of the just the update to that. All the guns are in, the autocannons are in, the missiles are in, and the sensors are on it. So the next video is just going to be connecting all the sensors, and then maybe painting the helicopter and seeing, and then of course we'll be applying it to the try and land it maybe on the ship, the helicopter ship. I'll have to find a name for it. Yeah, and I already have an exploration helicopter. But I might. Oh yeah, like plenty of electricity. I might end up changing it. I'm not sure. I'm not sure because I have the one that I've always had, just the regular jet helicopter. It doesn't have a medical bed in the back, so maybe I'll put a medical bed in it, and that way it can do like emergency transportation. But yeah, so now we've got an attack helicopter and we have a regular helicopter that we'll be able to put onto our Navy ship. So thanks so much for watching, liking, and subscribing. You guys are awesome, and I will definitely see you in the next one.